Okay, so it's 3 months since I had the procedure done, and I'm extremely pleased with the progress. Before I had the procedure, I did a bit of investigation, and the progress I've got now, I expected to see in about 6 months, not 3 months. So, and I've spoken to Dr. Haror, and he says, it's still got a long, long way to go. And so I'm thrilled with the result. I think it's excellent. And as far as people noticing, I don't know if they've noticed or not. They haven't mentioned it, so which is really good because, it's nice that they don't notice. They just think I'm young again. If you're considering it, I think it's a positive thing to do. You'll feel good about yourself. You get what you expect, and it makes you feel good. Yeah. So in conclusion, I just say thank you for Haror's Wellness. Gave a fabulous service and a great result, which is only going to get better.